Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. So I'm going to open up my web browser, and at the moment I'm logged into my PayPal business account. So the first thing you need to do is, when you log into your account, is go to Tools and All Tools here. So you see that in the top navigation here, and you've got various options in here, and they've been broken down into categories down the side. But if you click on Get Paid, and then you'll see Reoccurring Payments here, click Open. And basically what PayPal is showing you right now is all the payments, recurring payments that you should be receiving. They'll be listed here. So if you're a business owner, you may get subscriptions or recurring payments coming into here. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for payments that we're making and we want to cancel. So here it says you can manage the automatic payments you have with other merchants from my pre-approved payments page. So you need to click here. So on this screen here you can see all the various payments, and they're broken down into status. So if you click on the drop down, you can see the different statuses here, and I've blurred out obviously some of the information. I don't really want to display all the payments I'm making and where I'm making them to. But if you want to cancel one, simply select one of them from the side navigation or from the merchants here. Just click on one. So I'm going to click on this example here. So this is a recurring payment that I'm making with Wish.com, for example. And if I want to cancel it, all I'll do is go to the status where it says active and click this cancel button, and then just follow the on-screen instructions, and it will tell you that the recurring payment has been cancelled, and you'll also receive an email. So that's how you go about cancelling recurring payments or automatic payments using PayPal. I'm going to minimize this. That's the end of this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.